Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pulling back quite strongly today. It dumped pretty much the entire gain of yesterday. We're going to jump into the charts, back into the channel. I'm going to show you technical analysis on Bitcoin, what I think is going to happen. I'm going to show you any trades that are open, altcoins, and my thoughts on the market. I'm here in beautiful pizza restaurant in the south of France. It's epic. Which is going to be good. We're going to jump into the charts. Hit the subscribe button, join 75,000 people almost. Hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget, if you subscribe, if you comment down below, my team is picking 5 winners every month of 200 USD. So we're giving back $1,000 to the community every month, which is beautiful. My goal is to make you all financially abundant and help as much as possible. I just share my knowledge, and this is not financial advice. I'm showing you what I do with my money in the markets, and you have to make your own decisions with your money. I'm just showing you what I've been doing for the last 2 years every day on this videos, two videos a day on this channel, and for the last 20 years of my knowledge of investing, and I'm showing you what I do with my money. You have to make your own decisions. I'm not telling you what to do, just showing you what I'm doing live in the markets every day. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Bitcoin is on the back inside. Oh, that's CRV. Let's go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin dropping again, fully erasing yesterday's gains. Look at that. We had yesterday gain from 29,500 all the way to 32,000, and then boom, dropping again. And that was actually kind of double top formation and an M pattern. That's not good. If we break here, we come to the bottom of the channel, which is most likely 27,000. Actually, that's not the bottom of the channel. That's the previous. This is the bottom of the current channel, 28,500. And most likely we'll hold there, but the more attempts we keep attempting on the bottom of this channel, the most likely it's going to break. After that, we have a really strong support down here at 27,500. That's when Bitcoin, that's got a very strong support line going back 2 years. Let's see if it can hold here. But until this channel breaks, we respect the channel and we assume that it's going to hold. We broke above the channel yesterday and we got faked out again, but that's 2 times in a few days. So Bitcoin is actually trying to push to the upper end. It's actually making a kind of new channel here, a new channel between the top of this one, which is 31,000, and the bottom of this, which is 29,000. So it's kind of trying to form a new channel, but we respect the previous channel until it's confirmed. But at the moment, Bitcoin is actually in a higher channel at the moment. It's also channeling upwards. As you can see here, Bitcoin's been going upwards lately. It's channeling upwards. If it moves to the upside of this channel this time, it'll be 33,000. Let's see if it can do that. But again, for the last month, it's been within this channel, and we respect this channel until it changes. So from 28,500 to 30,700, that's the current channel, and we respect it until it changes. A few breakouts and then coming back into the channel is not changing the channel at the moment, but it is a good sign that it's moving up. There was a huge sell order. Bitcoin was pumping. It went from 29,600 to 32, and then someone sold in that hour at 3 a.m. around 69,000 Bitcoin at 3 a.m. So it fully erased yesterday's gain. Stochastic very oversold. RSI now is oversold, also heading up, and Squeeze Mob is going back to the red side. So that pump is finished. We're back underneath the EMA ribbons again, turning down. It still looks, in my opinion, like a bottoming formation though. It's Bitcoin, as I said, if you've watched my previous videos, it takes time to form a bottom. We've got a big support here at the $29,000 area. Crypto Guru Bot is again firing back to a sell. It's flip-flopping around. Bitcoin indicator, but there's too much chop. Called the sell before it happened nicely on the Bitcoin indicator bot. Look at that. Interesting. You get it in the master course. So right now, Bitcoin, my assumption, it goes to the bottom of the channel, 28,500, and then just continuing to long down here, short up here, long down here, short up here. Until we break out of the channel, that's what I'm going to be doing. On the hourly, a lot of volume coming in on that sell. Stochastic oversold, but I still think coming down to the bottom of the channel. We also seem to be forming here a symmetrical triangle. Everyone seeing this? We've got a symmetrical triangle forming here, and they usually build pressure, and they break to a direction, usually the direction of the trend. So that would be the upside, about 70% of the movement. So if that happens, it'll be breaking around this distance, the base of the triangle, and it'll break around 70% of the movement. So it'll be around here. Let me try and grab it. Here on the 11th of June, we could be getting a breakout towards the $35,000 area at the 11th of June. So let's see if that plays out. But at the moment, Bitcoin is still on the, let's see if it holds, but I think going to the bottom of the channel. I'm going to show you where I would open the trade. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, you can sign up to ByBit. In the description and pin comment, you get a $4,600 sign up when you sign up to ByBit and start trading. And you also become part of my trading team. ByBit has released, as you can see here, D-Trader, we're stoked to inform you that you're now a squad leader for the ByBit trading team. ByBit is releasing they've got a WSOT, world's largest crypto trading competition, with $8 million in prize pool. 8 million USDT to be won. So we want to be the best trading team. You also get $50 early bonus, 20% trading fee discount, limited edition NFTs, lucky draws, and an $8 million prize pool if you join my squad. Again, to join the squad, the link is down below. You get that $4,600 bonus when you deposit Bitcoin and start trading. NordVPN, if you have any restrictions, that's the part to become part of the ByBit trading team. And over on ByBit, my account took a hit here. It went back to 200,000, now back down to 188,000. So around a $12,000 swing yesterday. I've got BUSD, BIT. I've been stacking BIT, $49,000. Bitcoin, I've got 1.5 Bitcoin in here. CRV, 23,000, which I bought a lot yesterday. Luna taking the biggest hit, around 20% drop today. And I've got no Bitcoin trades open. My long opened and then got liquidated by that drop. So I lost $800 on that trade. But that happens in trading. That's why you have tight stop losses. So now where I would open a long is I'd wait till the bottom of the channel again. Bitcoin at the bottom of the channel, stop loss below that wick, and then targeting the top of the channel, and we just keep playing the channel game that it's been in for the last few months. So the trade will open 28,554, stop loss at 27,700, take profit at 30,700. I'm risking $782 to make $2,100 unleveraged, 10x leverage, $20,000. This is the trade I'll take. This is what I'm going to open. So 28,550, 27,700. So I'm going to open order price $1,000 long, order cost 28,550. That's when the trade will open. Oh, it's a $1,000 trade, sorry. 28,550 will open the trade. It's going to be at, let's do a 5x long, so it'll be a $5,000 trade. Confirm. And my take profit will be at the top of the channel, so 30,600, and the stop loss will be 27,700. 27,700. This is me setting the trade before it starts. So I'm risking risking $148 to make $359. Confirm that trade is now set. Open long. So the take profit is at 30,600. It's a $5,000 trade. Confirm that trade is now set. It will open at 28,500. Stop loss at 27,700. Take profit at 30,700. So the take profit is slightly wrong. Take profit at 30,700. Which is beautiful. That's my order. That's my trade for Bitcoin. Again, if you want to trade, down below in the description, pin comment, signing up to ByBit, and you join this WSOT World Trading Competition. It starts on the 10th of June, so make sure you signed up before then. I'm now squad leader, and our goal is to win this $8 million prize. Crazy how the channel you talked about a while ago is still holding. You're always right. I love how you give feedback to community. We'll grow and keep growing. Beautiful, Refno. Bitcoin knowledge, me, family. And this is a ascending channel that Bitcoin is in right now. As I talked about, this one here, you can see Bitcoin is in an ascending channel. See here how it's moving upwards. So at the moment, we're in an ascending channel, and it either can break to the upside or the downside, but ascending channel is moving upwards at the moment. That's a good sign. Also, why Web3 and NFTs? Look at this. Spotify, creator revenue for 2021. Spotify, $7 billion paid out to creators, 11 million artists. So the average creator got $636. YouTube, the average creator artist got $405. And YouTube doesn't actually pay very well. Meta, average creator got 10 cents. 300 million to creators, 3 billion users, average user 10 cents. And NFTs, 3.9 billion paid to creators, 22,000 creators, averaging 174,000. That's why Web3 and NFTs are so powerful, because it's giving power back to the creators. Over on Binance, I've got 330,000. This account taking a hit, $6,000. So I lost around $20,000 in these two accounts, 500,000. So it's around 8% yesterday. BUSD, USDT, I've got around $200,000 in here. BNB, I've been stacking. BNB took a big hit because the SEC announced that they're going to be probing Binance. So the SEC is looking into Binance, which is not so good for Binance. but Binance is one of the biggest exchanges. They have hundreds of billions behind them, so I really think they will be able to combat the SEC. But this pushed down the price of BNB, and I'm going to be buying more of it. Actually, I'll buy some BNB now. I like stacking BNB every time it has a big drop, because usually it has a big bounce, and this is one of the biggest companies in the world. So I'm going to buy another. Let's buy another. Oh, I can do BNB BUSD. BNB BUSD. So I'll buy another $5,000 worth of BNB right now. Buy, confirm. Done. That order is set. Thank you for watching, everyone. Those are my thoughts on the market. That's what I'm doing. Join the WSOT ByBit Champion Trading Champions for $8 million prize pool. Let's win it. Starts June 10th. Make sure you signed up to ByBit down below. This is James from Crypto Guru, and if you comment down below, my team's picking 5 winners every month for 200 USD. Recently they picked. Here's one winner. Oops. Here's one winner getting his 200 USD. So they're going to be choosing people from the comments. Make sure you subscribe, making sure you're getting your friends to join. Make sure you're commenting every video. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.